So in this video, we're gonna repair a tire on this Lexus. I found the puncture. It is right there. Right there. So we're gonna take this apart and get it repaired. So this is my regular tire repair procedure. This is the only way I do this. No plugging. So this is what is included in our standard tire repair. This is a run flat tire. There's a little more difficult to remove. Not really. Okay, so it's a tiny little hole, tiny little nail. Okay. Yeah, it's a really small little nail. Okay. There we go. That is it right there. All right. That is it right there. That's the angle. Okay. So to the angle, this is going to be a two-piece repair. Hello, this is Tire B.
This call is to inform you that there has been a charge of $389 from your PayPal account. To stop this fraud transaction, please press 1 and press 2 to talk with our customer executive. This call is to inform you that there has been a charge of $389 from your PayPal account. To stop this fraud transaction, please press 1 and press 2 to talk with our customer executive. Hello.
Hello. Oh my god, scammers don't even want to talk. I want to speak to them. I want to ask them, how do they get this low in life? Okay. So this is the first piece of the repair. The stem. Now, stem is in. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna buff it. Now we're gonna clean it up. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna patch it. I'm gonna use one of these little round patches. This is what it looks like. It's getting, the reaction is going on. So while we're waiting, we're just gonna clean up the hub. Needs about 3 to 5 minutes to dry. And then we're gonna balance it when we're done. Let's get that ready. We're not gonna need any more air. Let's back this up. Beautiful day. We're in the city of Leduc, 30 minutes away from Edmonton. Right in the middle. Okay, patch is on. We use only the best quality products. Tech tire repair products works really well. I lifetime warranty all my patches. Never really had a problem. This is a security coat. Okay, that's good. Cover it all up. Boom. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm done. That patch is done. We're gonna put the tire back on, balance it, and we're good to go. Get this garbage out of there. Side. Quick cleanup. 103. That's how you not scratch the wheels when removing weights. You punch them in the side. You don't actually scrape the wheel after all the weights have been punched out. See, it's coming off with some of the glue, and then some is left. So a good quality tire service is supposed to clean that up, make it look nice. Some alcohol. Stop with the siren. Cap on the valve. Alright, so here, use only a rubber eraser wheel. So I'm gonna clean that up. Not a single scratch, no residue from the adhesive. I don't like to use clip-on weights much, so we're gonna do a sticky and a sticky on this. Clip-on weights, the actual clip itself is made out of steel, and the wheel is in aluminum, highly reactive metal. So when you put a steel clip-on weight onto the aluminum wheel and it scrapes the paint, it starts to corrode. So it's best to use stickies as much as possible. Okay, so this is a 0.75. 0.75. And a 1.25. 1.25. Okay, so while this is spinning, we're just gonna quickly double check the torque. I do believe it's 103 or 104. So we're gonna use our Fastco system. This is all at zeros. Beautiful. And so we're just gonna check the bolt torque on this vehicle. So this is a 2024 Lexus. So Lexus 24 NX350 H. There we go. Base 20s. Okay, let's see what the torque is for this. Torque is 103. 103. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay. So we're just gonna give it another spray to see if there's any leak. Should have done it before, but I was kind of sure it's not gonna leak. So no leak, all good. I lifetime warranty my patches as well. So if this patch fails within the life of the tire, I will come and replace it for free. The patch, not the tire. So 103. Okay, came here through 9:35, 9:38, or sorry, I came here at 9:05. It's 9:38, so this took me like 33 minutes, and that is all. Get your key back in the trunk or in the glove box. We don't have these. You have these. So don't yell at us when you lose them. Done. Tire B, the best in business, always and forever.